Hey, this is the Daily Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I want to talk about using YouTube to demo your iPhone apps. Okay, so I'm coming to you today from my mother's house in San Diego. I'm having a really good time. I spent the entire day at the beach and my sand is full of hair, or my hair is full of sand rather, and I'm covered in sticky sand and everything. So I'm about to get in the shower and all that. So I apologize, but check out the scenery behind me. So one of the things I had to do today was record a quick demo for a client. So all the way back in Europe, right? So it was one of the things I did was make sure that I brought an iPhone with me because even though I don't use an iPhone, my normal phone is an Android phone. So I wanted to, so I did this for them, and I thought I would talk a little bit about this. One of the things that I find when I'm working with clients that I find works really, really well is using YouTube videos. I'm not talking about the daily ones like for you guys or the public ones, but I do a lot of unlisted videos, especially when I have to demo an application. So like, if I have to demo, so like if we have an app that we're working on and it's not ready to give to them now, so like I'm afraid if they click on something, everything's gonna crash. So I don't want to send anything out through test flight. I can send screenshots, but it just doesn't have the right effect. So normally what I'll do is I'll attach my phone to the computer, and I'll basically run QuickTime Player. So if you look at my screen now, you should see the iPhone on the screen, and this is exactly the format I use with clients, right? And early on, I was just doing screen sharing, right, with just the voice. And I found that they responded so much better when we do, like if I do this kind of thing, right? If I'm actually talking to them and say, okay, so an example of this would be, like it'd be just like we're doing right now. So they'll see the phone on the screen, they'll see me talking, and I could guide them through how this thing works. And also, it's much more personal talking directly to someone through an unlisted video on YouTube. Because a lot of times they'll take this video and they'll send it off to other managers and stuff like that, and it helps everyone to get to know who the developer is, right? It's just one of the things I found was much more personal, and it seems to work really well. So like for example, let's say I'm showing them my phone and I say, let's say I've done newsstand. Let's say I created the newsstand app. I'll say, okay, so I open up the newsstand app that we created for you, right? I click on WSJ, I will go through and I will demo how everything works, clicking on different stuff as we go, right? And it's something that, YouTube is a tool that it seems like not a lot of people use. I mean, you can use Vimeo or whatever photo sharing things. I've had developers try to send me MP4 files of like 50 megabytes, and that never works, right? But it's always, if you want your clients to be really impressed with your delivery, a lot of times it is just saying, hey, I'm Eric, we're developing this app for you. Here's how it works. I want to give you an early demo. Pretty soon we'll put this thing on test flight. We'll send it out to you. But right now I just want to show you so we can get some early feedback. And that people seem to really enjoy that. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you today. I just finished doing a video like this. I find it to be really helpful, and the clients always, they always comment on how impressed they are with that. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.